Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be a very quick, easy and delicious one, and it's Oriental style stir-fry veggies which you can enjoy as a side dish along with noodles or fried rice or as a starter. So friends, let's begin with this interesting recipe. So for my stir-fry veggie recipe, I've already chopped some veggies and sliced 200 grams of paneer into this shape and size. Then here I have taken 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, some baby corn sliced diagonally, some button mushrooms sliced into half, red and green bell peppers cut into chunks of medium portions, as well as some onion chunks. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat some vegetable oil, say around 1 tablespoon in a pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the sliced button mushrooms and we'll shallow fry them until the water from the mushrooms dries out and they turn golden brown in color. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the mushrooms to start changing its color. And by now the mushrooms have turned golden brown in color. At this stage we will add the minced garlic and ginger. On medium flame we will fry them till they turn golden brown and aromatic. And now into this we will add the sliced baby corns and we'll stir fry them for just 1 minute so that they get partially cooked. Finally goes the onion chunks as well as the red and green bell peppers. We'll give this a quick stir for a few seconds as you want to retain their crunch. And now we will season the veggies with some salt as per taste and around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll give this a mix. Next into this goes 1/2 teaspoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. I am using here Ching's Schezwan chutney. And around 1 tablespoon of hot and sweet tomato sauce. If you don't have this, you can add regular tomato ketchup. We'll mix this once. And now time to add into this the paneer pieces or cottage cheese. Very gently we will mix them for at least a minute so that they are well combined with the seasonings and sauce. And finally, before turning off the flame, we will add the white part as well as the green part of spring onions. We'll give this a final mix. This looks so very tempting. And friends, whenever I make stir-fry recipes, I can't stop myself from tasting as I enjoyed them so much. And this tastes so good. Do try it for yourself. So friends, I hope you will try this quick and delicious Oriental style stir-fry veggies. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.